I've been thinking about how goals are really just things that we use to help us become the people that we want to be. SUPERCLOWN here, aka ZGALA, aka Angel Lily. Look at that sunset. I try not to make you dizzy. I'm up on a lift, you might be able to tell, with my new snowboard. Thinking about my goals for the next year, which are podcasting and YouTubing and making more money and more snowboarding. But under all of that are my goals to be more authentic, more loving, more joyful, more of the person that I want to be, more colorful, more playful, more funny. How am I doing so far? It's a work in progress is the thing. And you might know if you've ever achieved a goal. Ooh, look at that view. You might be aware how achieving a goal is awesome and all, but that high doesn't last real long. You got to pick a new goal after that. So, and not achieving a goal kind of sucks sometimes, but also not the end of the world. Really, if you process it right, it's there to help you figure out who you want to be and then become more of that person. That's my 2 cents about that. Hey, I'm working on a book called The Shift, where I'm laying out some action steps, really some tools in a framework that any and all of us can use to help us get into flow state more often, self-regulate our emotions, and take more personal responsibility for our own lives. Check out the description if you're interested, and as always, stay curious, stay courageous, stay fit, and stay free. Ciao for now. Hey, subscribe, would you? Thanks.